Bank reconciliation. What do you mean by bank reconciliation? On a particular date, reconciliation of our bank balance with the balance of bank passbook. That is called bank reconciliation. So this statement consists of balance as per our cash book or bank book, then balance as per passbook, then reason for difference in both of the above. So this statement may be prepared at any time as per our suitability and requirement of the firm, which depends upon the volume and the number of transactions of the bank. So in these days where most of the banking transactions are done electronically, the customer gets alerts for every transaction. So now the time to reconcile the bank is reduced more. Understood. Next topic is trial balance. Trial balance is a summary of all the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts. So the total of debit side and credit side of the trial balance should be equal. That should be matched. Understood. And this trial balance is prepared on the last day of the accounting cycle. Trial balance provides us a comprehensive list of balances. So with the help of that, we can draw financial reports of an organization. For example, trading account can be analyzed to ascertain the gross profit. Okay. Then profit and loss account. This is analyzed to ascertain the net profit. And finally, the balance sheet of the concern is prepared to conclude the financial position of the firm. So that's about bank reconciliation and trial balance. Hope you understood.